aspiration is a strong hope, dream, or goal. The idea of aspiration has a positive, upward connotation. We aspire to be or to become something that we perceive is better than what or where we currently are. There are many different types of aspirations, such as career, social, and personal. One way to think about the meaning of aspiration is the idea of reaching for the stars. We may never quite make it, but the act of looking and moving upwards can enrich our daily lives. In the process of reaching for the stars, we make progress forward.